Hopefully this will be the last cassette deck I buy for a while. It is an Onkyo TA-W100, made in Japan. Dolby B and C noise reduction. Alright, it's all set up here. Let's try this cassette I really don't care about. It's working well so far. Never mind the dust, but I got the adhesive off there. Goo gone. Could've got a silver deck, but I got this one because, you know, it works, and it was 50 bucks. Still needs cleaning. Little residue right there I couldn't get off with Windex. Gonna insert some audio samples here. Then after that, we'll take a look inside.
Rock, we're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me home. That you love me too.
There's an Alps board, some chips here. You got Maxell motors, like I expected, made in Singapore. It's pretty clean in here. Metal flywheel, that's cool. Flat belts, board model, number, whatever. So that's the inside.